Ooh, y'all, I think it's the Money Piece Hazel for me. But y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO Shiva here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. If you're a subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. I have Angel Face from the Curls and Kinks Sensational line. I couldn't decide on which color I wanted, if I wanted the natural color or the Money Piece Hazel, so we're gonna do both. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And let's get into it.
Like this before. Never had someone to show me love. Love like this before. Now that we have come to be a brand new life I can see. Never thought you'd be a special part of me. Oh baby, the reasons are because of you. I can go on and make it through. I can't even take my mind off loving you. And I wanna say,
Okay, so let's talk about Miss Angel Face in the 1B color. I'm actually really feeling the density. Usually when it comes to the Curls and Kinks straighter, like kinky straight units, I don't be feeling the density too much. This one, I feel like they actually got it right. I would say it's about 200% density, but what I really like is that it seems like they added less hair up top and most of the density at the bottom, and I think that really works out well with these units. Now, I had a time trying to style this unit, but you don't have to. Pull your edges out. This is the type of unit where you're gonna need to pull it a little bit behind your hairline because the cap is huge. Cap size is definitely big head friendly for sure. I still got room in the back. It still like fits and adjusts to your head. I just felt like it didn't sit right on my head when I had it pulled past my hairline. So I would suggest either you leave the edges out that come with the wig or you use a little bit of your own edges. I'll show y'all an example of what it looked like when I first put it on versus now that I've taken it off, looked at some other videos and put it back on. This one, to me, you have to be careful with because even though it is a better density than the others were out of the package, it can still come off a little wiggish if you don't position it right. I did have to flatten the top, but I felt like that was just what I normally do anyway, so nothing out of the ordinary. So I'm so happy these are a lot easier to wear without having to thin them out. The texture feels so natural and super soft, and I like how it has like a nice sheen, kind of oil sheen look, but not too shiny like bam in your face. And I have to note, I noticed with the other straight units that they had from Sensational, when I got up in the roots, they would be real matted and tangled and messy. And this is really smooth from like the root to the tip. Her parting looks a lot bigger on the stock card than it does on this unit. I mean, it looks a little bit better now that I've left out my edges, but she doesn't have edges out and hers looks like it's a bigger parting space. I thought I was going to have to pluck it, but it didn't come to that. For me, I was fine once I put it behind the hairline because I felt like that kind of took care of the part looking too narrow to me. Y'all know I am loving this unit having some layers. I love layers. You need some movement in your life. So the 1B color has actually been really good on the shedding. It's the tangling you want to watch for because these ends will start to tangle a little bit on you. Clearly it's not really bad because my hands are gliding through it now, but I have had to brush through it a few times. Also, you want to watch in your nape area because if you're sitting in a chair or anything like that, like if you make this the everyday office kind of wig, because you could, but you want to watch for that bunching in the back. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from the back, and then we're gonna move on to seeing what it looks like in my favorite sensational color, which is Money Piece Hazel. I think it's the Money Piece Hazel for me, but y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. So as far as the fit with this one, I definitely feel like it fit a little bit easier without any work. I literally just kind of popped it on and it fell into place. However, this time around I did know I needed to push it back just a little on my edges, but I do think if I had pulled this forward past my edges, it still would have looked pretty okay. I feel like the density on this one is a little bit thinner than it was in the 1B color, which I'm not mad at. I still like it, you know, at this density, but it seems a little more 180-ish instead of 200 in this color. First thing I did notice was the fact that I felt like they had like flyaways in the front that kept just kind of like getting in my face, and I had to like pull at them a little bit. And I think, you know, maybe just the dyeing process may have made these hairs just a little bit more wiry. So this unit in color is a tad bit drier than it was in 1B, but not like a noticeable enough difference to make me not want to get this unit. I actually feel like this one lays flatter, easier, and as far as matching up to what the stock card felt with the parting, I feel like this one was also a little more narrow than what they're advertising on the stock card as well. But it's not a huge deal because you still don't need to, I wouldn't say you need to pluck these units out. This one, I would say sheds a little more. I've been getting like strands of shedding out of the unit since I've been wearing it. But I would say like the tangling is just about the same. Like it's mostly at the ends. Sensational has done a great job with the upgrades of their Kinky straight, you know, the curls, kinks, and stuff line. I feel like they finally got the density together and they got this texture together because it's felt rough before, I'm not gonna lie. This one I would still classify as big head friendly, but it's a little more snug than it was in 1B. Here is a side view, them luscious curls. Other side, back view. So y'all let me know down below, are you feeling the 1B or the Money Piece Hazel? Details will be down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.